I'm Ms. Ricious, your media specialist, and today we'll talk about a few options we have for finding audiobooks.
So let's start on the Learning Commons section of the high school website. We will go to Library Catalogs and Online Databases. First of all, let's take a look in Mac and Via, our digital platform for our ebooks, databases, and audiobooks. When you first log into Mac and Via, you will enter Shakopee Senior High as the school site name, and you'll log in with your regular username and password that you use to get into your computer. Along the left-hand side, you'll see types of resources here. Let's take a look at the audiobook section. And here you'll see a list of all the digital audio books that we have available. You can either browse through the list of the books, or you can look for a particular title using the search bar at the top of the page. To check out an audiobook, simply click on Checkout, and this book will appear in your profile at the top under Checkouts. You can listen to the book right from your MacBook, or you can download the free Mac and Via app on your phone and listen to it there. In the app, you can download the book to your phone so you don't have to use your data and you don't need Wi-Fi to listen to it. The audiobooks will be automatically returned after 3 weeks, but you can always renew it if you need it for longer. Now let's go back to the Learning Commons website. Right under Mac and Via, you'll see both the entire Scott County Library catalog and right underneath it, the Cloud Library, Scott County Library's catalog for their ebooks and audiobooks. Beginning on May 13th, 2019, you will have access to all these collections through your new virtual student library card. Let's take a look at the audiobooks available through Cloud Library. First of all, we'll log in. Here you'll enter your virtual student library card number. This number is our district ID 720, followed by your student ID number. The PIN number is simply the last 4 digits of that number. To limit your search to just audiobooks, click on Filters and deselect eBooks and click on the X. Your results will now just include audiobooks divided by genre. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see books for teens. You can either look for books by scrolling through horizontally, or you can go to the list view. What I like about the list view is it tells you whether or not the book is available, and if it's not available, it tells you when it will be available, and you can place a hold. So let's scroll down to a book that is available. Okay, so let's say I want to check out the book Black Enough. I'll click on Borrow, and the book will show up under My Books at the top as an audiobook that you have checked out. You can also use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a particular title. And just like with Mac and Via, you can either listen from your computer or you can download the free Cloud Library app on your phone. Bookshare is another audiobook option for students who have a print disability that severely inhibits or prevents them from reading traditional print materials. If you currently have an individual education plan that includes an accommodation for a print disability, talk to your case manager about this option.
If you have any questions about any of these digital audiobook options, or you're looking for a title and you can't find it in any of these places, please don't hesitate to reach out and I'll help you in any way I can. Thank you.